In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a specific paragraph. This is a simple, time-saving trick in OneNote that lets you create a direct shortcut to a particular paragraph, text block, or even an image. It's perfect for longer notebooks, shared projects, or when you want teammates to jump to exactly the right spot without scrolling. First, navigate to the exact content you want to reference. Make sure your cursor is near the paragraph or item you plan to link. If you're working with a text block, hover near the left edge until you see the four-headed arrow that represents the paragraph container. This arrow indicates the block that holds your text or image, and it's what OneNote uses to anchor the link precisely. Taking a second to confirm you've got the right block ensures the link will land visitors exactly where you intend. Next, copy the link. Right-click directly on the text itself, or in some versions, right-click that four-headed arrow for the paragraph container. From the menu that appears, choose Copy Link to Paragraph. That specific command is important because it tells OneNote to generate a link that targets the selected paragraph rather than just the page or section. If you don't immediately see the option, try right-clicking again on the container arrow to make sure you're targeting the full block. When you do this, OneNote places a specialized OneNote link on your clipboard. This is a deep link format that opens OneNote and jumps straight to your chosen paragraph. Keep in mind that for others to use this link successfully, they'll need access to the same notebook and location. Because it's a deep link, it's best used within your organization or among collaborators who already share the notebook. If the notebook is moved or permissions change, the link may no longer resolve to the same place. Now go to the page where you want to add the link. This could be a summary page, a task list, or a reference index you're building. Position your cursor where you want the link to appear, then right-click and choose Paste, or press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. The pasted link will point straight back to the paragraph you selected earlier. When clicked, it will open OneNote and take you directly to that exact paragraph or container, saving time and reducing confusion. That's all there is to it. Locate your target, copy the paragraph link, and paste it where you need it. With this small habit, organizing and sharing precise references in OneNote becomes faster, cleaner, and far more effective.